Welcome to Step-by-Step Strategies for Newcomers in the booming body contouring industry, the podcast designed to guide beginners through the exciting journey of entering the world of body contouring. In this episode, we'll provide you with a comprehensive roadmap, breaking down the essential steps and strategies to kickstart your success in this rapidly growing industry. Introduction to body contouring. Let's begin by understanding the fundamentals of body contouring. What is body contouring? Explore the concept of body contouring and its role in sculpting and shaping the body through various cosmetic procedures. Industry overview. Gain insights into the current landscape of the body contouring industry, including market trends, demand, and growth opportunities. Getting started in body contouring. Now, let's explore the initial steps to launch your body contouring business. Training and education. Invest in comprehensive training and education to acquire the necessary skills and expertise in body contouring procedures. Legal and regulatory compliance. Familiarize yourself with the legal and regulatory requirements governing body contouring practices in your region, ensuring compliance and safety. Building your business infrastructure. Setting up your business for success is crucial. Clinic setup. Establish a professional clinic or treatment space equipped with the necessary tools and equipment for performing body contouring procedures. Developing treatment protocols. Create standardized treatment protocols and procedures to ensure consistency and quality in your services. Marketing and promotion. Attracting clients requires effective marketing strategies. Brand development. Develop a strong brand identity that reflects your expertise, values, and unique selling propositions in the body contouring market. Digital marketing. Utilize digital marketing channels such as social media, website optimization, and email marketing to reach and engage with your target audience. Client consultation and care. Providing exceptional client experiences is essential for success. Consultation process. Implement a thorough consultation process to understand clients' needs, assess suitability for treatment, and establish realistic expectations. Safety and patient care. Prioritize safety and patient care throughout the treatment journey, ensuring a positive and comfortable experience for your clients. Growing your practice. Continuously evolving and growing your business is key. Continuing education. Stay updated on the latest advancements and techniques in body contouring through ongoing education and training. Client satisfaction and referrals. Focus on delivering outstanding results and exceptional service to foster client satisfaction and generate positive word-of-mouth referrals. Congratulations! You've just embarked on your journey into the booming body contouring industry. By following the step-by-step strategies outlined in this episode, you're well equipped to navigate the challenges and capitalize on the opportunities in this dynamic field. Thank you for tuning in to Step-by-Step Strategies for Newcomers in the booming body contouring industry.